In this video, I'll show you how to add secrets in Replit. First, open your web browser, go to Replit, and sign into your account. Then open the project where you want to store your secret values. Next, click the Secrets tool in the left sidebar. If you don't see it right away, click the Tools icon and select Secrets from the list. Now, click New Secret. In the Key field, enter the name of your environment variable, such as AP_key or database_URL. In the Value field, paste the secret value you want to store. After that, click Add Secret or Save to store it securely. Repeat the process for any additional secrets your application needs. Your code can now access these values as environment variables without exposing them in your project files. Finally, run your application and verify that it can read the secret values correctly. Remember to keep sensitive information like API keys, passwords, and database credentials in secrets instead of hard-coding them into your source code. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add secrets in Replit. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.